Assalamu alaikum, guys. Now I will show you university list, Turkey Brusler Scholarship University list. Yes, you can see. Adana Alparslan Technology University, then Air Sergeant Vocational School, Akdeniz University, Aksara University, Alauddin Kaikobad University, Hamdullah Emin Pasha University, Altinbash University, famous university, Altinbash University, Anadolu University is a famous university, Ankara Devlet University, Ankara Haji Bayram Valley University is a famous university, Ankara Science University is a famous university, Ankara University, one of the best university, Ankara Yildirim Beyazıt University is a famous university, but private university. Then Adnan Menderes University, it's a famous university. Bahadurshahir University is a famous university. Bashkent University is a famous university. Yes. Then you see Biruni University, Boğaziçi University is a famous university, Bursa Technical University, Bursa Uludağ University is a famous university, Çanakkale University, Çankaya University, then Çukurova University is a famous university, Binali Yildirim University, Erzurum Technical University, Eskişehir University, Eskişehir Osman Gazi University, Eskişehir Technical University, it's a famous university, Fatih Sultan Muhammad Vakif University. Yes. Then you can see Galatasaray University is a famous university, Gazi University also famous university, Gaziantep University is a famous university, world ranking university, all of them. Institute of Technology, Wahidati University. Ibn Khaldun University is a famous university. International Antalya University, Sparta University of Applied Science. Istanbul Commerce University is a famous university. Istanbul 29 Mayıs University is a private and Islamic university. Then there are a lot of university. I don't know all of them name. Istanbul Gelişim University is a famous university. Istanbul Medeniyet University. Istanbul Okan University is a famous university. Istanbul Sabahattin Jam University is a private but famous university. Istanbul Şehir University. Istanbul Technical University, famous university. Istanbul University, also famous university. Then Izmir University, Izmir Institute of Technology University, it's a famous university. Izmir University of Economics is a famous university. Karabük University, Karamanolo Mehmet Bey University, Kastamonu University, Kayseri University is a famous university. Koç University is a famous university. Yes. Konya Food and Science, Food and Agriculture University, Konya Technical University, famous university. Lukman Hakim University, Turgut Özal University, Marmara University is a famous university, you know. Middle East Technical University is a famous university. Alp-Arslan University, Moshe Alp-Arslan. Najimuddin Erbakan University is a famous university. Yes. Nishantashi University. Then Osmaniye Kurkutla University. Pamukkale University is a famous university. Recep Tayyip Erdogan University, Sabancı University, Sakarya University, that's a famous university. Sakarya University of Applied Science. Yes. Seljuk University is a famous and historical place also. Sivas University, Technology University Sivas. Sivas Cumhuriyet Social Science University of Ankara. All of them are famous university. A lot of famous university there. Economics and Technology University. Turkish German University, University of Health Science, Skudar University, Yashar University, Yildiz Technical University. So friends, you see, thank you.